Hi, I'm Mark Donovan from Falcon Imagery. I had my DJI Phantom 4 Pro replaced back about 2 weeks ago. I had sent it into the DJI service facility out in California, and basically they said the drone needed some repairs, and instead they wound up replacing it with a new aircraft and a new controller. Besides the two units not being linked together, the other issue I had was the remote controller was not calibrated. And it took me a little while to figure out how to calibrate the controller. I'm going to show you the tips on how to actually calibrate the remote controller for your Phantom. Your controller to your iPhone or iPad. Once you've done that, turn on the controller. You should keep the aircraft off. You'll notice that the controller is beeping with a red flashing LED. This is telling me that the controller's not been calibrated. We're going to hit the three dots up here. We're going to then select the controller. We're going to then hit the remote control calibration unit. We're going to say calibrate. And then we're going to hit the start. And it's going to tell us, hey, we're going to basically be calibrating the controller. We hit OK. And now that we've done that, you notice the beeping has stopped. So now we're going to take our control sticks, and now that we know that they're centered, we're going to move them forward, then back, then to the left, and to the right. And the last thing we need to do is the little scroll wheel on the side, we need to have that go all the way to the left and right. And then we just have to hit the finish button. And now we're calibrated. So we can then go back and we'll turn it off and we'll see what we get. Now we're going to turn back on the controller. And you'll notice the red light's on only because we don't have the aircraft on, but we no longer have the beeping. And that's all there is to it, to calibrating the controller. If you have other questions regarding either drone operation or questions on Part 107, just look up falconimagery.com. If you found this video helpful, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel.